Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again with a two-box break of 2011 Topps Inception football. Last time we hit two really nice boxes with some nice patch autographs, one of one. We hit a Cam Newton patch, if you could call it that. It was really a jersey, but here we go. One pack. Surround sound. There we go. I'm on surround sound for Chad. Move the base from the back to the front, and we're off. First off, we have a base for the Colts of Pierre Garçon. Base, not numbered. And there's 3 thick cards in this one. Then we got a base of Michael Vick for the Eagles. And numbered at a 209 for the Ravens, base of Joe Flacco. And, wow, numbered at a 75 for the Ravens, Joe Flacco. So, at a 75 and 209, Joe Flacco. First hit. Very nice patch. It's going to go to the Rams. This one is numbered at a 599. Nice looking patch of Austin Pettis. 537 out of 599. Patch auto. And there's the patch. Nice hit for the Rams. And then he's following us again. We hit his 1 of 1 last time, and now we hit numbered out of 150. Chiefs are having themselves a great break. 3-color patch autograph for the Chiefs. John Baldwin. Hit a 1 of 1 jumbo patch for Shivy, and now he's following us with the patch auto. So Chiefs are doing really well. And final card. Wow, really nice looking patch there. Numbered at a 75. A little ding on the side there. But numbered 3 out of 75. 4-color patch for the Chargers. So there you go, ADS. Allen. Jordan Todman. And there's the patch. Navy, sky blue. You got the gold and the white. So, nice box. Bunch of patches in there. 3 patches. Box number 2. Patch, patch, patch. Bunch of patches. So, nice card there for Allen. We have a base not numbered for the Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Then for the Bengals, we have a base of Jordan Shipley. At a 209 for the Seahawks, Matt Hasselbeck. And there's 1 very thick card and then 2 medium or regular cards in this pack. Emerald at a 75, Ray Rice for the Ravens. First autograph will be for the Vikings. It's going to be numbered at 900. It's going to be a Kyle Rudolph autograph, tight end for the Vikings, who were traded. Next card, we'll go to the Chargers. So Allen, second hit here, numbered out of 900. Little line on the right on the bottom of the auto. There's like a little line, but it's going to be autograph of Jordan Todman on card auto for the Chargers. And there's like a little line right there. You won't be able to see unless you get it in person, but final card. It's going to be numbered out of 150. Very nice. 4-color actually 3-color. I can't count. 3-color patch numbered out of 158. It's going to be for the Panthers of Cam Newton. Wish it was autographed, but nice card there. Cam Newton for the Panthers. So that is it. The two-box break of 2011 Inception. Nice stuff. Nice patches. Couple nice patch autos. John Baldwin, Austin Pettis. And that'll dozer, as Chris would say. Thanks again for everyone who joined. GSN Cards is out.